friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Designs. I am super excited to be back with you and to share the new releases from Keto Chow. So it starts from left to right. Top row is gingerbread, maple waffle, pecan sticky bun, pumpkin spice caramel, and eggnog. Those are their fall flavors, and they are back into play, and I am thrilled. So those are seasonal flavors. The bottom ones are fantastic. So there is Keto Chow and Keto Chow Core. These bottom two, this is the strawberry cream. One is sweetened, one is unsweetened with, they're dairy free, and those are made with a beef base instead of the others that have a milk type base or dairy base. And so we have one sweetened with stevia, one unsweetened. And then as I go slowly over here, we have vanilla cream and the other was strawberry cream. So these are vanilla cream, same thing, Keto Chow Core with the stevia and one without. So I am super, super excited. I caught some of the Keto Chow fall last year, but I missed a lot of it. So I'm super excited to try it this weekend. And I bought two of each, except for in the gingerbread and the maple waffle, because the maple waffle, I think we're going to be having some waffles this weekend. I am super excited. So this isn't a long video. This is just a quick hello. It is my Tuesday keto, recipe share. So I'm going to share with you today. It is Wednesday, so I'm a day behind. I didn't think I was going to get to do this, but everybody's going to run an errand, so give me a minute and I could run in here real quick and just share all the goodies. Please go to Keto Chow. I will leave a link below. Be sure you guys give all the tries, and if you happen to tell them I sent you. And they are the nicest people, and they will get it out immediately, and they will answer questions, and there's tons of resources on their website. All right, friends, remember, if you're having a hard time getting your protein in on keto or a ketogenic life style, I use this to help me meet my daily protein, and it makes my husband super happy because he gets to have Keto Chow ice cream at night. Yes, we split one every night. So, all right, friends, I love you guys. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks for being patient with me holding this camera real quick. But, yeah, I know I've got new stuff. I'm getting it all figured out, but I am still just working like a fiend trying to get everything caught up. So I love you guys. I'm so thrilled to be with you, and thanks for being patient with me holding this camera. All right, I'll talk to you later. Love y'all. Have a great day, but as much as I love you, God loves you so much more. All right, friends. Bye.